Welcome back to another video. It's your boy, and today we got another package. I already told you guys there's a lot of stuff coming for the Z, bro. Sheesh. Not gonna lie, this shit looks good. This girl got a flat tire this morning, so I had to take off my wheels and put them on here for the time being. So Z don't have no rear wheels, but we're not gonna need that for this. So in this box, bro, the black looks so good, and the car definitely needed side skirts. But that's besides the point right now. Got some double-sided tape right here, but in this box we have one of my favorite things, bro. I've been wanting to do this to the Z for a minute now, not gonna lie, but like I said, I couldn't justify buying hella shit for the Z. But yes, sir. That shit look good as fuck. Got some carbon fiber. What the fuck? We got some carbon fiber mirror caps for the Z. You already know. Yes, sir. So installing these is really simple. It's really easy. You just take this double-sided tape and you line it on the inside of the mirror cap, and then you just place it on this mirror cap. So we don't have to remove these, we just have to basically like place these on there, like over, because they're covers, they're not like the actual mirror. So yeah, it's gonna be a pretty simple install, not gonna take long. Fuck off my car. This is off topic, but look what she bought me, guys. It's a turbo. It's supposed to be like a headrest or whatever, but it's a little turbo. It's nice. Guys, I know if I'm excited for this, I'm gonna be so excited for my carbon fiber hood and fenders. Bro, this literally makes me so happy. Like, it looks so sick in the sun. That's crazy. All right, guys, so I'm basically gonna line this up. And I'm not really sure which parts I should put it on. This part right here, hold on, wait. Put it down like that. Pop it in. Just like that. All right, so we got both of them taped up. I think this is enough. You know what I'm saying?
You see the carbon fiber though?
Yeah, the carbon fiber looks really nice. But yeah, so I'm gonna just peel the red side, and then I'm gonna just stick them on there, and then press them. I think you're supposed to hold it down for about 15 seconds, and then it should be good to go.
Was it fitting good?
Yeah. press it on like this. Let me take this. Yes, sir. Bro, that looks good as fuck, bro. Damn. Like, you would think you wouldn't be able to tell this much, but bro, whenever you're looking at it from like here, you can definitely tell. Like, it makes a big ass difference. Like, highly recommend. 10 out of 10. That's beautiful, bro. Like, oh fuck, I'm about to break it. Look, the sun just makes it pop, bro. Like, if you got a Z, G35, 370, get carbon fiber mirror caps, bro. Definitely worth it. I would put the link to these, but honestly, I don't even remember which ones I bought. I just got them. I seen them on eBay, and I just ordered them off eBay. But they're like $100, or they're like, these cost $89, but then after shipping and everything and taxes, it's like 102, 103, something like that. But definitely worth it. I mean, look at it. It looks fucking sick. That's crazy. Carbon fiber hood and fenders are gonna hit. And I'm also thinking about getting the carbon fiber A-pillars too. This is the main reason why I wanted to get these mirror caps, because look at this shit, bro. In the drive-through car wash, it was whenever my car was completely stocked. Bro, that shit is so powerful. It literally chipped my paint, bro. That shit tough.
So this is a quick and easy fix.
I would get these even if it wasn't broke, but this is just motivating me. Round 2. I was about to put it on upside down.
Careful.
Make it mad. I don't give a fuck, Keisha. This mirror cap should worry about making Keyshawn mad. Guys, damn. 10 out of 10, easily. This is probably my favorite mod so far, but
because it's carbon fiber.
Yeah, because it's carbon fiber. This is probably my favorite mod, bro. Well, this is carbon fiber too. This is carbon fiber wrap, and look at the difference. You can barely even tell. That's the 6D carbon fiber. This is real carbon fiber. Oh shit. You honestly can't even tell. Shit. Honestly, guys, it's literally the little shit that makes your car like different. Like side skirts, like this is a big difference than how it looked before. It looked so naked before and now it doesn't. And front lid, carbon fiber. Oh, and making your roof black, bro, big difference for sure. My car's dirty as hell. I haven't driven it in like a week, but carbon fiber. It's like literally the little shit that makes the biggest difference on your car. So like you don't have to do like some crazy ass shit, wide body kit to make your car look good, bro. It's literally just the most basic shit and it looks so clean. Damn, bro. Oh shit. Lost my slide. Looks hella good. Hell yeah. Just wait till you guys see the color that I'm choosing for the wrap. Just wait, bro. And the Nismo rear bumper, and I'm getting a new wing. I'm not sure which one I want to get yet, if I want to get the duckbill or the Nismo wing. Because I feel like if I get the Nismo wing and the rear bumper, and I don't have the Nismo front bumper, it's gonna look weird, but I don't know, maybe it might look cool, so I might go for that. But yeah, guys, we got a lot of mods. The fuck, I forgot English. Got a lot of mods for the Z coming soon. All right, guys, well, this is gonna be the end of this video. If you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe. You guys already know more stuff coming for the Z, so stay tuned. Next year, bro, I promise, Boost is coming, bro. I can't wait. But if you guys haven't already, bro, subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot. I've been seeing a lot of you guys subscribe, and I really appreciate it. And comment whatever you guys want to see. Let me know, and I'm out.